how to sign up on Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can sign up or create an account on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up or maybe create an account on Uber Eats, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here, and then you are going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is right from the bottom you'll find an option that says continue, where you want to make sure to tap on the continue option here. It will ask you to simply enter your phone number and use other details to log in. But if you have not yet created an account, you can also create one using your Google, Apple, Facebook, or your email ID. Depending upon whatever else you prefer, if you want to use the email, you can make sure to enter your email address manually here. And after you enter your email address manually, you can create a password to finish creating your account, or you can directly just go ahead and then sign up with your Google account in this case. And once you select the continue with Google option, you will be able to successfully log in to your Uber Eats account. This way you'll be able to basically create Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.